Hey everybody, good morning. What is it? Happy hump day. This is Travis with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I'm out in Norwood, Young America. And today I am getting all my class 5 gravel and all my pea gravel delivered. And I got my Bobcat delivered, and we are going to turn this spot I'm about to turn around and show you into a beautiful annual garden area. I can't say garden because this is a 82 by 32 foot space, and it's gonna have 24 raised garden beds in it with pathways and stuff like that, pea gravel pathways. And so it's gonna be perfect. There's not gonna be any weeds anywhere because the ground is gonna get graded, leveled, and then we're throwing a class 5 on top of that, and then we're gonna put the landscape material, landscape fabric over the top of that, and then pea gravel in the pathways. And yeah, but I'm gonna turn you around and show you this area, and I got to dig up some stuff that is growing in there and replant it elsewhere. But there's a lot of chives, a lot of horseradish around here. I think there's some asparagus around here, a lot of wild sage, or wild oregano, sorry. There might be some sage around here too. I got to walk around. There's so much stuff growing around here. But here we go, turning you around. That's my first class 5 pile. Just got dropped off about 5 minutes ago. Got a couple more of those coming, a couple loads of pea gravel, my dirt pile, soil, whatever. That's gonna, I'll probably get another load of that to help fill 24 beds. Bobcat here. I think I just heard something. Anyway, let's go in here. This is the area here. You got some, and I'm gonna put a big fence up around the outside of this to keep the deer out. So I gotta dig holes for all the posts, set all the posts, and then start building the panels to put on the fence. And we're just gonna use 2x3s and this fencing right here, and you just staple it right to it. But this area here, so if we're standing outside where these water spigots are, from that corner to that corner is 32.5 feet or something like that, and then we go 82 feet long to where those trees are on the end. But we're gonna skim all this grass off and all these weeds and get rid of them. And what is this? Oh, that's not weed. How you doing? All right, and then we're gonna get all this taken care of today. It's gonna be beautiful. But anyway, I'll show you more later.